Okay, so we're heading down. Gonna go pick up the gonna try to pick up the trailer. Here we go. Okay, so this is the tire. I went to pump it up and the stupid thing broke, so got to replace it. So here we go. Let's replace this tire. Okay, I'm just going to use the tiny tires that are like what it came stock with, because I'm not going to go fast.
So now, are you going to take this
Yes.
to your house? Good.
Yep.
Good.
As long as I can get it hooked up to my trailer, my hitch, it's going to my house.
Because the man across the street wanted it, and I'm glad I told him no.
Good, good. I'm glad you did too.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I'll see you later.
Yeah, I hope you got it on.
That one held air, but I don't trust it. Love that thing. Thank you, Jeff. Okay, so this is a before section shot. Got new little tiny 8-inch tires on them. Got the gonna have a lot to do on it. Got stuff to take off. See if I can get it to hitch up. Has an extended tongue thing on it because I used to haul some really long kayaks. This was a kayak trailer. It's been a race trailer. I don't think we took this one to Bonneville, but it's been to a lot of races. It's been to the Mojave Mile. Anyways, let's get it hitched up. Okay, there's the truck and the hopefully soon to be Harbor Freight, my version of a teardrop trailer that somebody can sleep in, and then we'll pass it on and go to the next project. Okay. Everything's all put away. Trailer's on the side yard. Time to remove the hitch. Just like that. Time to put my hitch safe back in. I'm gonna do another video on that. So that's it for this one. Out. Oh, well, look at that. That's an interesting reflection shot. I guess it's out now. Okay.